In this video, I'll be showing how to replace an outer taillight assembly on a Chevrolet Equinox. It is located on the back of the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to start by opening our liftgate and locating our outer taillight. There are two covers here for our T15 Torx screws. I'll use a flat blade screwdriver to pry them open. As you can see, now our screw is exposed. I'm going to remove them with my T15 Torx bit. Here's one. Now we can set these both aside. Now firmly grasp your taillight and just pull outwards. Now I'm going to remove my connectors. Quick note, do not let the taillight rest on the vehicle as you could scratch the paint. Just going to turn counterclockwise and pull out. Same with the other bulb. And there it is. And now to install our taillight. We're going to take our connector. The green one goes in the bottom. And just twist clockwise. Make sure it's secure once it stops. And repeat the same for the other bulb. Line up the tabs on the taillight and connector. And twist clockwise. Now make sure both are secure and we can push our taillight in. We're going to line it up. And just firmly push it in. I'm going to do these clips one more time with our flat blade screwdriver and install my two T15 Torx screws. Now just make sure it's snug. Time to install the bottom one. And make sure the whole assembly is in place. And we can reinstall our covers. Align the tabs on the cover and the taillight. And just push down. And that completes our install. Once you're finished, go ahead and make sure all your bulbs work, and thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.